How's it, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's going to be a long one, but I hope you watch to the end. If you talk to a fluff about this or that observation, the general response these days is everything works just fine on a flat earth. Then you ask for some sort of evidence, a measurement, something, and we get a different type of answer, and that is to go outside and look around. When I hear this, I am reminded of the same excuse the people who want us to believe in God uses. They say, just go outside, look at the trees, look at the diversity of the creatures. Therefore, there must be a God. And flat earthers say, go outside, look at the horizon. It's flat, therefore the earth is flat. The evidence, apparently, is self-evidence. Then we get the inevitable question of, where's the curve? Why can't we see the curve? And I'm thinking to myself, have you never held a ball in front of your face and tried to look at it dead on? You can't see anything, never mind something curving away from you. I know that we have ants, but actually, in comparison to the size of the planet, we are all ants. The baseline issues of the flat earther includes a significant amount of mixing up of words, using words out of context, and misunderstanding differences within context. They seem to have this affliction, especially with gravity and the word theory. When the common man uses the word theory, it's mostly in a colloquial sense. For example, a cop trying to solve a crime. And it isn't the same as a scientific theory. In the colloquial sense, you are pontificating a solution. But in the scientific sense, it is a comprehensive body of carefully thought out explanations of observations in the natural world obtained via the scientific method. Fluffs don't seem to realize that not every experiment has to follow every single step of the scientific method. Although fluffs don't seem to have a contention with any of the other scientific theories, for example, cell theory or the germ theory of disease, as they have with the theory of gravity. The scientific method is flexible to a degree, as I am finding out within my own ongoing observations. For example, in June, the sun was setting at around 20 past 5 in the afternoon. Now it is setting around 6 o'clock. My observations can never be repeatable in the way flat earthers think that repeatable must be. And this goes for every object I have my eye on. The heliocentric model explains my observations very accurately. By the way, heliocentric just means that all the objects in our solar system are orbiting the sun. Whether their orbits are elliptical or circular or oblong or whatever it is, all the objects are still orbiting the sun. Also, when fluffs say, oh, gravity is just a theory, it has never been proven, then we say that in science and the scientific method, there is no such thing as proof. There are proofs in maths and baking, but with the scientific method, there is demonstration, deduction, re-experimentation, and re-examination of the collected data. So therefore, in science, there is no absolute proof. What there is an open door to more understanding. Also, most fluffs don't seem to realize that theories contains laws, as with the law of gravitational attraction within the theory of gravity. Having said that, we have an obscene amount of evidence that mass attracts mass. But we also know that the amount of attraction depends on the mass. And because we know that the Earth is much more massive than each individual person, then we can deduce that the Earth's gravity overcomes our gravity.